BTC Project 1, an update. Here you see some of our engineers having a meeting beside their van. Back near the base area, porta potty, and of course our tool shed. Laying pipes down the main road is continuing. One of our dump trucks is laying crushed stone into the hole to fill in over the water pipes, the sewer pipes, and the gas pipes. The wheel loader is prepared to take this dumped load and cover in the hole. Here we see the fellas sealing more pipes together, and the protective shield has moved down a little bit into the deep area. An excavator, Cat 320, is continuing to dig the hole back the road. On the back of the property, on the other road that is coming in, we see the same process being repeated. Pipes are out, they're being put down the hole, the protection barriers are up, the fellows are in the hole, and the excavator is moving back the road. Another wheel loader here is moving in the pipes. A small concrete mixer sits beside pallets of concrete mix that is used to connect the pipes together and to cement the joints. Here at Project 2, we will also give you an update. Chief Engineer Doug is getting back into his van to go back down to the area where the new bridge piping has been put in. BTC safety personnel are closing off the temporary road for the moment to allow a lowboy to bring in a road grader. The road grader will be used to smooth out the road and create the gutters on each side of the road. It's about to make the turn onto the long stretch. Just down the road, another BTC safety officer is flagging down the lowboy because there's another big machine right ahead of it. Here you see our Wharton milling machine. Its job will be to mill off the surface of the road that has been paved and prepare for repaving. Here you see Ron, the owner, Harry, the foreman or supervisor, Harry, the supervisor, and a worker discussing the unloading process. Milling machines are used all over. There are great savings in road preparation prior to paving. It will pave this section. It will mill this section. And also on the road is one of our large dump trucks removing soil from the area where we put the stormwater pipes underneath the road. If you remember on our last one, we buried them. Here's another truck being loaded by another wheel loader, and a third truck being loaded by an excavator. All this has to be dug out, scraped, and with stone added, and later paved. Some fellows here are unloading one of our utility equipment vans. A field engineering trailer is on the scene. A few hours later, we see Doug is meeting with two of his site survey men back at our muster station, going over some details. Back up the road, Doug and Harry are watching the milling machine slowly unloading from its trailer. This machine saves an awful lot of man hours in bringing roads up to speed and ready for paving. Underneath the main section is a giant drum. You see the drum, the fellow's looking at the drum. The drum violently scrapes the macadam, rolls it up, spins it out, and shoots it out the conveyor onto trucks. You will see this in our next video. Back at the old bridge, men are still working on the buried storm water pipes, making sure that everything's just perfect here. Excavator is still loading dirt from both sides of this to be the temporary road. Loading a truck, and here our road grader is smoothing out the road. You can see it's dirt now, hilly dirt, but it's dirt, and it is trying to smooth it out and get gutters in. We've got to get it level. Meanwhile, the trucks have been dumping the dirt around the project in the back. Each load just gets bigger and bigger, the pile. Another truck is on its way back for another load. And this completes this video.